When gardening with containers or pots, you'll need to use potting mix for proper drainage and aeration. Here's how to make your own potting soil for container gardens. Hi friends. Welcome to Discover Agriculture YouTube channel. If you're not yet subscribed to our channel, please subscribe now. Containers are great for a number of reasons, namely that they're versatile, space-saving, and allow you to be more efficient in your use of resources. If you have a small garden space or live in an apartment with a balcony or rooftop, containers are for you. A lighter, flyer soil mix provides the space needed for air circulation, good drainage, and healthy root growth. These soils are sterile, so there is no chance of introducing pest or disease problems. How to make potting mix at home. Here we take normal garden soil, sand and compost in 1:1:1 ratio. Instead of compost you can use cow manure, vermicompost or bone powder. You can also use perlite, coco peat and moss too. Coco peat and mosses are used to increase aeration and moisture holding capacity. Mix it thoroughly. Now potting mix is ready. You can germinate any seeds and grow any plants with this planting mix. Hope you like this video. Share this video with all friends and don't forget to subscribe Discover Agriculture YouTube channel. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.